Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Simplified Accounts. मेरा नाम है शिवांश गुप्ता and today we have a well-known CA, Mr. Ishan Agarwal, with us for the guidance to me as well as my all viewers.
Hello everyone, this is ISHAAN Agarwal. So I will take you through my journey of how I completed CA, the challenges I faced, and it is full of surprises and excitements.
Thank you. Please tell us more about your education and professional experience so far.
Well, uh, I done my 12th standard in 2008, and simultaneously I started doing CA, and I cleared my CPT in 2008. Then I, uh, cleared my intermediate, that was called PCC that time, and finally I became chartered accountant in 2012. And I have also done CS executive in 2015, and I have also done my graduation from Delhi University in 2011. I passed in 2011, and I have also done diploma in IFRS from ACCA UK. So that is a global recognition. And currently I'm working with Bank of America, and I have worked with so many companies in my 9 years experience of assurance, audit, taxation, project accounting, fund accounting, regulatory reporting. So I have previously worked with PwC, IBM India, Uniquest Infra Ventures, HCL. So I have got a lot of experience in varied fields.
Yes. So basically, what helped you to become a CA, motivated you to become a CA?
Uh, well, the time I started CA, there were only, I would say that there were very limited opportunities that time, like CA, CS, CWA. So uh, I met a CS, so he told me that if you have practical mind, then you should go for CA. If you have theoretical mind, then you should go for CS. So I love practicals and accounts, so I chose CA, and it is a multi-dimensional course or program which gives you an exposure of accounts, audit, taxation, costing, information systems, you know, and controls. So there are a lot of diversified fields in this course, in this degree. So I choose that.
Okay, so how was your journey? I'm sure it is not easy, but still I wanted to hear from you.
Yeah, of course it was not easy. Trust me, every day was a full of challenge. You got so many surprises. So I used to wake up early in the morning, and then I catch up my train for Delhi so that I can have coachings. Then I come back to join office, and in the evenings also used to have coachings. So I have a lot of, you know, it requires a lot of labor to do CA. It is not easy, and so. But nowadays, what is happening, that after clearing inter exams, what we say IPCC, your internship started. But that is not the case at our time. So we used to have practical experience, as well as our exams are going on, our internship is going on. But the good part is that I am getting theoretical as well as practical knowledge at the same time. So that was a good part of it. And whatever you are reading, whatever you are studying, you can apply it in the practical field. So that was good, and I I really enjoyed that.
So, how many hours do you spend in CA, like when you were learning CA?
Yeah. So during exams time, I should say devote 18 hours I must say that I just sleep. I didn't have time to eat. Rather, I eat, but not in that way that. So I used to study a lot during exams time, and when the office is going on during normal period, normal course of business. So whatever the notes that I have on daily basis, whatever my coaching notes and also I used to revise them, on daily basis. So whatever is being read to me on daily basis, I should have knowledge of that because every day we have coachings. So daily revision is very necessary. Whatever you are studying, I would
Yes.
encourage all of you to revision on daily basis if you are doing CA or whatever course you are doing, your daily notes.
So, what strategies work best for you?
Uh, as I already suggested, revisioning your notes on daily basis and proper allocation of time. Time management is very necessary in CA. You just got 2 months. You just got 2 months leave or 3 months leave before exams, and in those 3 months, we have to prepare for almost more than 5 subjects. In inter, we have total 6 exams, and in final we have total 8 exams. I'm not sure what is happening now, whether it's 8 or more than that or less than that. So proper time management is very necessary, and you can choose days as per your convenience. I mean, the subjects you are well aware, well versed, you can give them less time, or the subjects that you are, you know, not very known or you're not familiar with, or it looks boring to you. Whatever
Yes.
way, I mean, it is like that. So you can give them more time so that you can grab more and more out of it for your exams purpose. And I refer revision test papers, and last 10 years. So that is very beneficial, and practice a lot. That is also a very important part of your accounts, taxation, costing. You need to learn so many case laws in taxation, in costing and
Yes.
accounts. You have to do lots of practice.
So,
So
what motivated you for pursuing CA?
uh, my family background and the family environment. I don't have strong financial background, so I thought I should do CA. I was very clear when I choose commerce in 11th standard. On the first day of it, I was very clear that I have to do CA. My other friends, they are also CA, but they were not clear at that time. But I was clear, so I still remember that day when the teacher was asking everyone what you will do by doing taking commerce, what is your future prospect. So the family environment motivated me a lot, and I used to meet with my friends and enjoy with them. My passion for work, everything excited me a lot and motivated me. Whenever I lost hope, so my mother motivated me, and my family motivated me, my near and dear ones. So everyone motivated me in each and in one or other ways. So, and I also used to get motivation from my principal where I do internship. He's also a great motivator. He motivated me a lot, and so my friends motivated me. The situation motivated me, and so this is how.
Yes. So, what is the expected remuneration one can look after completing his or her CA?
Yo, this is very good question, but it's a market-driven factor. Primarily, it's a market-driven factor, but today, you are going to get a handsome package as compared to other professionals if you are a qualified CA, and quite competitive market we have nowadays. And our institute also do campus placement. A lot of recruiters came in campus program. So you are going to get a handsome package for sure.
Yes. So how can you explain a day in the life of a CA?
Well, it's a very tough question for me because for me every day was a challenge. I used to wake up early in the morning. I used to catch train. I used to take coaching, then rushing up to get the train back to my office. So it's a very
Yes.
hustle tussle all the days, and sometimes it happens that you know uh, I was not there on time and my train left, so I was unable to catch the train on time. It happened a lot of time, and sometimes the weather was not good. But even after that, we are running, uh, we are doing our best to reach in the classes on time. At that time, we used to have 6 in the morning, whether it's summer or winters. So you can just imagine with that, and the
Yes.
teacher is not going to wait for you. You have to be there on time. If you are getting late, then you will be getting back seats. So that was a challenge. But when I was in final, we used to have online classes. E10CA, you would have heard about it. So
Yes.
E10CA was a that online platform from where we are getting classes. So that hustle tussle, that got streamlined. But yes, after all, we have to learn and study a lot. I still remember the day, you know, when the final result was to be published. Uh, I was lost, totally lost. What would happen? Whether I will, whether I will pass or not. So I got fever, very high fever, and I was not talking to anyone. I locked myself in the room and just waiting for the results to get published. So I mean, fortunately, I got passing marks. I must say passing marks. And so when I see that, yes, I did that. So I was, very happy, and I met my friends, and, celebrated my success. So that day I still remember.
So,
I was
is it
having fever. Suddenly, okay, yeah,
important to take
yeah, please.
maths as many students drop it in high school?
Uh, yes, I mean, you should be knowing basic maths, but for foundation, I think you need to have a good exposure to 11th and 12th standard maths, that integration, differentiation, and that is
Yeah, they are
required
quite
as
tough.
far as foundation is concerned. CPT, common proficiency test, that is the entrance for CA exams. So in that, you need to have a good knowledge of maths. But after that, don't worry at all. You just need basic knowledge, plus, minus, multiply, divide. That's it. Because you will be working on calculators. You won't be
Yes.
doing it on your own. You just need a calculator and just calculate everything. Not scientific, numeric calculator.
Yes. So there are any upcoming professions in commerce lesser known to students, but with bright future for them.
Yes, definitely. You know, the economy is rising and there are a lot of changes in the education system. So in today's world, we have lots of opportunities. Like, you would have heard about CPA, certified public accountant.
Yes.
Just like CA in India, we have CPA in overseas. Like, if I do CPA Australia, right? If I did that, if I got that recognition, then I'll be able to, work in Australia, just like CA in India, and I can even practice as well there. So similarly, we have CPA in England and Wales, CPA US. So lots of global countries are giving recognition to this. It is just like CA. We have FRM, Financial Risk Manager. RBI considers financial risk managers to hire. for their respective divisions, you know, which is basically financial risk analysis, credit risk, market risk, operational risk. So this is a
Yes.
part of it. Counterparty risk. We have CFA as well, chartered financial analyst. We have investment banking, you know. So we have lots of avenues, lots of futuristic opportunities,
But
and
it becomes
people are,
difficult for students to like choose between them in which field they should opt and make their
yes,
career in that.
it is not easy. Actually, it depends on the the candidature. By candidature, what I mean to say, it depends on your interest. If you want to be a fund manager, you should go for CFA or investment banking. You should go for
Yes.
MBA, and it depends on the person to person. Like if someone is very interested, very is a very risk risk lover, very aggressive person, very risk lover, so then they should go for financial risk management. So it depends on person to person how they want to leverage their interests. So that depends on them. But there are lots of opportunities in the market. We have so many tools. There are so many tools which are uh, gaining uh, place in the market nowadays. We have Alteryx, we have Tableau. There are so many tools in the market. We have financial modeling tools. So there are a lot of opportunities.
So what would you like to suggest to the CA aspirants? Like give some motivation to them?
Yes. So be focused. That is imperative in anything what you are doing. Be focused and try to gain practical experience as much as practical study, practical knowledge. And
Yes.
of course, risk is inherent. So you should know, you should have questioning mind. You should be professional skeptical, you know, to understand what would be the risk if I am doing this. What is the risk that is inherent to that task? So you should be questioning mind, and you should have different approach towards every task. You should be thoughtful of what you are doing, and of course you have to study a lot in any
Yeah,
uh, course or opportunity that you pursue.
that's an important
So
thing.
read a lot of things. You should be aware of what is going on in the economy. So macro experience, macro knowledge, and macro knowledge both are very necessary.
Yeah. So I would like to request Mr. Ishan to give some motivational words to my fellow friends and my viewers.
Well, life is full of opportunities, and you should grab the opportunity and make the best out of it. You should always try to give your best. Never train yourself for the second place, and just give your best. Just work with passion, study with passion, and do whatever you like to do. What looks interesting to you. You want to become fund manager, go for it. You want to become financial risk manager, go for it. You want to pursue CA, go for it. Whatever you like to do, whatever your interest, pursue that and be a subject matter expert in that field.
Yes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be a motivation for CA aspirants. Thank you once again, Mr. Ishan Agarwal, for giving your precious time to us for this interview.
My
Please like,
pleasure.
subscribe, and
Thank you.
share with all your friends and family members. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. चलिए मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत